Hello everyone, welcome in the next section of this Microsoft PowerPoint and the ChatGPT learning. So after a long time I am uploading the new video, but don't stop our learning and let us bring new things every time. So for that I want to teach you in these whole sections about the transition. So for now what we have created is just showing I am showing on the screen, and now in this section we are going to learn about the transitions and animations and what is the use of that. So imagine that you have created some presentation and you want to showcase this presentation to someone in such a way that it looks more interactive, like when you press any button or when you change the slide, it like pop-ups from left side and the right side, and sometimes you want that particular button or particular photo, it must be reflected once you click the mouse button, so that everyone can have a very good attention towards your presentation. So for that purpose, transitions and animations will be useful. So I hope you have seen any of the presentations in which they are using this presentation mode, and presentation mode which is on the slide, so we can see bottom side of the screen you can see. Now when I click on this, it is directly starting with the first slide. Now if I click arrow key or enter key or any mouse key, it is jumping to the next slide. So this is called as the transition. How you want to give the transit to one slide to another. And animation will be useful for when you want to create animations in such a way that the text must be like from falling, or from left hand side it must be pop up. So likewise whatever things you want to do you can create. So I hope, let us stop here, and in the next consequent section we are going to create different transitions and animations, and I think this whole section of this your course you will really enjoy. So let us be with the course and enjoy learning. Stay tuned.